Otardi. ¿Cómo está? No, thank you, Chair. Thank you for the opportunity. I thought that we are about one issue. Lawa ukuthi aseqhamuka kaphi lawa abuzayo for aseyinkinga lapha kini. Phela sizele ukuzobuza ukuthi uyabulawa eSouth Africa. Akukho umuntu ofayo eSouth Africa. Is there any danger in any part of the country?
No.
Nongibuza laba abazi zonke izinto. No, ngempela ngifuna bangisize. Kuthiwe ubabulawa kanjani?
Genocide.
Is there genocide? You guys are everywhere. Not so. Can't you help me? Maybe because ngihlale enkandla mhlawumbe ngizeka ngali. Ngoba ngabona lutho phela. There is no genocide in South Africa. Nothing. Absolutely nothing. I take it that when people talk about genocide, when many people die, there's nothing of that nature in South Africa. People are just, my fellow I know, uphendule, that's America. He just talks when he wants to talk. Anything. I thought he would know better what is genocide. Now, for him to say so, it's just a joke, really. There's nothing of that nature. For me,
No. Genocide, and then also what the comments of President Trump. That's it.
President Ban,
President Trump.
why should I worry myself about Trump? Really? We have a serious problem here to fix this country. No, I'm not going to talk about it. You can tell me about something serious. Ukawuthi ungasuka labantu la bahambe bathi siyabulawa genocide bayele kuyingekho leyo nto nje enhloko. Nami ke sengizodlala izimrabaraba. No. The only thing I wanted to say is to say thank you, gentlemen, for coming. We thought it was important to talk about what has happened in terms of what people were saying. After our SG had visited Malawi, there were quite a number of things that came. We received a lot of letters from, what do you call them?
Civil society.
Civil society. Was it the civil society? I doubt.
MJC.
No. Huh?
MJC.
MJC, yes. MJC. They were complaining. There were quite a number of the letters that came unhappy, and they said a number of things. Because we were busy, this party, Nkondwesi, was a very, very busy party. So we did not have time to leave what we're doing and jump to say what is happening. So we continued doing our work. They came, I think, almost 3 times, worried about this. So we had to feel that if there are people in the country who feel not good about what has happened, without them knowing the details, it was important that we tell the country what has happened and why this, why do we take this decision? Because we have to respect the population, that we are very serious to tell them that they must vote for us, all of them. They must understand. And I'm sure as we sit here, if I look in her eyes, they'll be very few who will not vote for Mkhonto Sizwe. So we thought it was important that we should take into account, given the fact that, as you heard in our statement, that there are rules we have, and there were people who were then talking, and we thought we should then have this to alert the country and tell them, even those who have been saying, what is this? Others were talking about how those people or that person in particular in that country, what are the relations with people in the Middle East and everything. And we thought it was important just to clarify the issues, but also respect the people that we say we stand for, and therefore take the decisions that we took. And I think that is closely the matter. And there is no problem. We took the decision on our behalf for our good reasons, which we discussed in our meeting. I heard that other people were asking, what else did we discuss? I mean, it's confidential if we meet. Otherwise, we would always be meeting at a rank where everybody sees and hear what we say. We have taken that decision, and there is nothing wrong. We were just saying this is what's supposed to be. We also had to look at what that has done to our rules, etc. It's as simple as that. The only thing we're doing was to alert the country what we're saying on this one, to close that matter. It's as simple as that. So we thank you very much for coming to be with us. And I don't think we must continue saying there's a big problem, there's a big animal in the mountain. Nothing. It is just us with you as you know us. So thank you very much. Agreed? Agreed. Thank you.